Sick of that buzzing noise? Check out these top tinnitus tips. Tinnitus can be frustrating and uncomfortable to live with. The unending ringing can compromise your quality of life. Help is available in this video, which can give you the facts and tips you need to deal with tinnitus. If you suffer from tinnitus, it is important that you not panic. When people constantly hear ringing in their ears, they just assume that there is something wrong with them. However, tinnitus is not only a condition that is usually temporary, but it is also a condition that is not serious. You may want to consider joining a support group if you suffer from tinnitus. Many people do not know that these groups exist, but they do, and they are there to help you. You will chat with other tinnitus patients, and you can all share tips and ideas with each other. If you smoke, you should quit. Smoking narrows all of your blood vessels. When the blood vessels that bring blood to your ears and head are narrowed, it can make tinnitus worse. If you quit, you will be able to deal with tinnitus better. Not only that, but your health overall will be better, which helps any other health conditions you have. To help you treat tinnitus, maintain a low stress level and relax more. It has been shown that stress and anxiety can aggravate or even cause the symptoms of tinnitus. By learning to relax and controlling your stress, you can alleviate the symptoms and improve the condition. Wash, dry and fold. Not only will doing the laundry keep you busy, but the constant sound from the clothes dryer silences annoying tinnitus ringing. For those who suffer from tinnitus, retraining themselves is a necessary part of helping themselves. By doing a simple household task like laundry, they learn to ignore the agonizing noises in their head. The tips and techniques you have watched here have helped many people who suffer from the symptoms of tinnitus. No one wants their life to be constantly interrupted by ringing. Therefore, apply the insights presented in this video to your life and witness the results. Brain scan uncovers the real root cause of tinnitus and what you can do about it, starting today. Please visit earpainhacks.com to learn more. Would you like to learn how to naturally ease tinnitus? Please visit earpainhacks.com to learn more. Link in the description.